Troy, let's see that. I want to see that.
Sure.
This is take 2. Look at that. You can make noise. Look at that shit. That's spot on, wonderful. That's gonna be a tight fit, man. You got her. Dude, you're good. That's our jiggy we made. Thanks, Troy. I'm not gonna show you him, he's mad at me today. Oh, yeah, one of them going in here. What else did we fix? Fuel, no, the hydraulic pump. Hydraulic fill pump switch was out. Gonna do some crack repair on the head. Took me a time today, and then new alternator. He had a bunch of little electrical problems all stirred up at the same time here, which is kind of weird, but whatever. I don't discount anything these days. But the other thing on this, I don't want to say it. I'll just bring you back over here and show you. The harvester head computer went out on him the other day, and he just said, you guys messed with it, so he brought it up. It turns out, and I knew this already, but we took the head out, or the computer up north to the main store. They got a guy that fixes those. You don't have to buy a brand new one. And they also have loaners. So you're never out. So we talked to the guy this morning, he's waiting for parts for it, and so we're gonna get a loaner and he'll be back to work tomorrow. Yeah, it cost him a little bit for the loaner, but you know what? He's gonna go back to work within a... When the hell did it come in? Monday night? Today is Wednesday. We'll be done with it this afternoon. Tomorrow he'll pick it up and go back to work. And we could have pushed it a little bit quicker than that too, but it's cool that Ponsse, man, their support service is awesome. They got a computer sitting on the shelf while they work on the other one as a loaner, so you can go back to work. It's cool, right, Troy? So that's what I know. You gotta love Ponsse service and support. It's bar none the best. I want to see this happen, man.
It's coming down.
Coming down. We're gonna see how she fits. We're actually really, I need to come ahead. Perfect. Go ahead, Troy. Dial it down a little bit.
Here she's moving.
Huh? We're trying to get that interference to not interfere, right? You're going to run out of stroke there pretty quick. Oh, you got it all. Yeah, you're going to clear now, buddy. Awesome. All right, you can keep coming down.
Okay.
Doesn't want to focus for the.
Coming down very, very slowly.
We're in like Flynn, buddy.
I don't believe it.
Oh yeah, we're in. We may have to move the frame over just a fuzz, but we're in. Look at that.
I'm not touching it.
You're what?
I'm jacks off. I'm not touching it.
You weren't touching?
Not on the top. We're not sitting all the way down yet.
No, we got about 1.5 inches to go.
Yeah, we're stuck on something. Or maybe not. Well,
No, I don't think we are.
Kyle said to let down.
Kyle's got to let down, yeah.
Okay.
We're rubbing up on this corner a little bit, but that's okay. That corner we got right, this corner is good. It's got 1 inch to go.
Alright, I'm off.
Kyle, keep coming down.
I'm loose.
You're loose? Okay, we got it. I know what it is.
The pinch effect.
Yeah, we're pinching a little bit cockeyed on this side, Troy. You gotta come back and pull on that. Come along. Or I just did it. You're down now, Troy. I think.
Yep.
Are we coming down?
I'm off. I'm loose.
Yeah, we're binding right here. All right, I gotta put this down. You wanna hold this?
What do I gotta do with this?
Just hold it, it's on. I gotta move this. I gotta get to this corner right here. With the bottle thingy here. Right underneath that. There's just a little bit of tweak in it. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
I think. Yeah, we got a little bit of bindage there. Okay. Kyle, pick up on the forks. See if we can get that little bit of tension out of it. Okay. Okay. Troy? Let's start coming down. You should be.
I'm off.
All right, then Kyle should be coming down. Oh, we're off all the way here, so. Kyle is holding us completely, I think. All right, start really slow, letting her down. That steel grabs into that casting.
Uh-huh. We put the jack and across the
Oh, let us just keep coming.
going.
I can't tell if we're. We still moving?
I don't think so.
Are you off? No,
Nope,
you're on.
I'm
Okay,
tight
hang
now.
on, Troy. Kyle.
Spit break.
Real easy. I think we're in.
I'm off.
I know you are. That's how tight we got it. she's moving nice now, boys. About a 3/8 of an inch to go, boys.
Well, that's about all I got left on this jack, so.
It should be just about perfect.
Off.
You're off?
Yep.
Okay.
Block out here.
You off, Troy? Kyle? You're gonna have to lift up again probably to give us a little bit of, what do I want to call it? A little bit of flex in the, oh, maybe it's me. Hang on a second. Okay, I'm off too. I think we got to get a little bit of flex in the frame, Troy, Kyle. Okay, come back down. Yeah, come back down. All right, we're good, almost. Give me that camera.
I'm tight now, so I can let her down with this.
Let her down with that. She down?
Yeah, I'm down.
All right, I know what we're gonna do. All right, good enough.
That's pretty good.
But then I say how we did that, we had to just pull it down. That little, what, it was maybe an 1/8 inch, 1/4 inch where she seated. That axle is not gonna come out and not gonna move ever again.
We should weld it in.
You should weld it too like the last one? Decent. You got your cross bolted already?
Yep. Both of them. She's tight.
Awesome. We're good. Oh, don't hit your head. You guys did all right yet again. I don't know what I'm gonna have to do with you. That's gonna be just perfect. They won't pinch them. They won't grab them. I'm guessing that's what was in their previous timberjack, or not timberjack. Timco's used to use, but they were way protected in the frame. But that'll work. We ain't never gonna take this apart again. That thing is so tight.
2 weeks.
2 weeks? Okay.
Want to hand me the flux core?
Flux core? Gonna smoke her in?
Yes.
Yeah. Remember that last time they did that?
Put on a smoke show.
Who did that?
I did that with
Oh, that's awesome. Awesome, man. Gotta love it when the plan comes together, right? What do you say? God damn it. God damn it. Okay, ramblings are over.